What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here and it is looking very impressive right now. We can see we're at all-time highs currently again. With the Maya exchange being launched, we do think that Elrond has been having an absolute crazy pump. Over the past few days, you can see with the Maya exchange launching on the 19th here, we've had a huge run up from around $300 all the way to $410 right now. This is a very nice, like 35% pump. Over the past few days, Elrond looking like it doesn't give basically any shits about Bitcoin dropping. Elrond has just been pumping up like an absolute beast. Currently looking as though we are seeing a nice alt season of sorts. Bitcoin just kind of chopping it sideways and down. A lot of the larger alts, which are heavily correlated to Bitcoin, Polygon, Chainlink, VeChain and all these kinds of different cryptos, obviously like Cardano, Ethereum, it seems as though they have been rolling over in conjunction with Bitcoin, but Elrond definitely looking like it is pumping up massively right now, currently at all-time highs at around $410 there. Looking very strong indeed. Like it basically is just, it's absolutely overbought right now to a crazy degree. And the last time we were this overbought, we did see quite a significant correction, but overall Elrond looking really strong. You can see the overall uptrend here. Very nice big move to the upside. Decent correction, but you can see higher high, higher low, and now we're making another higher high, very cleanly above that previous all-time high. We did see ourselves come down to around, what was it, $50 at the bottom of June and July there. We get the, that bottoming out. We pull our Fibonacci from high to low. You can see all these levels here being respected very nicely. Resistance support, $300 support, previous all-time high resistance. We coil up nicely. We have the breakout, the back test, and then obviously we chunked all the way up to a new all-time high. We were ranging for a while. Bitcoin obviously rolled over, so it dragged Elrond down somewhat, but all it did was really retest support, and you can see how well that $300 level really held. You can see quite clearly that it was a very strong support for Elrond there. You can see we had 3 wicks in a row where we wicked back up onto $300 as our support really beautifully. And then obviously with the launch of the Maya exchange, which has been very highly anticipated from what we can tell. Huge pump to the upside for Elrond. New all-time highs here, looking very nice indeed. So overall, Elrond, a top quality project clearly. The Maya exchange obviously a very nice addition to its bow. And you can see that it's just doing very well. So obviously on the hourly time frame, this is going to confirm what we've been talking about here. You can see with the exchange being launched on the 19th, had a big run up here to around $370, which was that Fibonacci level that we were looking for. It got front run a little bit, but we would say this is the Fibonacci level that we were looking for a bit of resistance. I think it's the 127. Yeah, at the 127 there. We did see ourselves get a bit of a rollover from that level. A lot of people taking some profits here on this big pump, but we come down and we find a nice bit of support on the previous swing high at around, what was that, $335. We come down, we tap it twice, we get the pickup again, we come back up, and then we run all the way up to a new all-time high, breaking the 127. We come up to $395. We get a little bit of resistance at that level. And you can see over the past few hours, we are chopping it up in and around that $400 psychological target, which is obviously a massive psychological resistance and support. So it remains to be seen whether or not we can flip this into support, just because we are getting quite overextended as things stand. But overall, we'd say Elrond looking fantastically good right now. We are expecting it to have a decent correction fairly soon, because this is a pretty parabolic little move right here. But coming back down towards that $375 127 extension of the Fibonacci, potentially for a nice little bit of support, would be really good. Also on that previous swing high where we did see ourselves get to $370. Obviously, we got front run on the tapping that initially with the little bit of a rollover, but obviously breaking it now. But overall, Elrond looking really strong. We wouldn't be surprised if new all-time highs were found continuously throughout the next few days, maybe even coming up as far as that 144 extension at $465. Obviously the Maya exchange, very, very crazy favorable yields right now. Congratulations to anyone who got airdropped any MEX tokens, by the way. You should be staking them most likely on the platform to get those crazy yields. Obviously not financial advice, but just go and check it out. But you can see, obviously, Elrond overall doing fantastically well. So short-term price predictions, obviously we could easily see this continue for a good while here. But considering we are getting quite overextended, we would say it's probably more likely that we'll probably have a decent rollover fairly soon back to $400. Maybe even down to that $375 level at the 127 extension there, especially if the market does have a little bit of a shit. Again, especially Bitcoin. We all love Bitcoin at the minute and how it leads the market in the stupidest ways. And then obviously, if we do move to the upside, we are targeting that 141 extension at $475 there. If we have continuation, and then as we've always said, we do strongly think that Elrond over $1,000 by the end of the bull run. Not unlikely whatsoever, a top quality project, and now they're bringing out more DeFi stuff, more yields, and more reasons to buy this token. It's getting very bullish and it's looking like it's pumping up. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.